What's going on, everyone? Joe here. I want to make a quick video showing you guys the fast application process for transfers you'll get at JoesDTF.com using a heat press. This is what I suggest. A heat press for your application process. I am set to 275 degrees. I am at a medium to firm pressure. I'm going to be using a blended tee and 100% cotton tee, and I'm going to be pressing the biggest transfers I have gotten yet, which are over 15 inches long. So this heat press is a 16 by 20, so this is perfect to test this out. So we'll start with the 100% cotton tee. I'm not going to make any other adjustments on my heat press. I'm going to keep it exactly the same for both. I'm going to pre-press for 5 seconds, which takes out the wrinkles and moisture. So here is my first 15 by 15 transfer. I know it's hard to see because it's a white transfer with a little bit of gray in it, but you'll get to see how much it pops when you utilize the color of the garment it's going on. Look at that, perfect. Right up to the edge. I got full coverage of this large t-shirt I'm pressing on using a cover sheet that really doesn't even cover the whole thing, so good on me. You guys can do better than that. I'm going to do the first application for 5 seconds only. And with Joe's DTFs, it's a hot peel right away, but we're going to go back, properly cover it. And now we'll press for the full application of 7 seconds here. Look at that. Okay, so now to the last one. This is a poly cotton blend. I'm not going to change anything. Repress. Here's our second image. Another 15 by 15. Line it up perfectly. I'm only using the one piece for now. 5 second application. Peel hot. Now I'm going to go back, fully cover. Seven seconds for the second application. And that is that. Two full-size shirts in under a minute of application process, under really like 30 seconds of application processes. Now that's 2 shirts ready to be sold at a high margin. This is exactly what you can do. You can start today. Get yourself a heat press, get some blank apparel, and start uploading your artwork right to JoesDTF.com. Let us handle the printing, the packing, and the shipping right to you. All you have to do is apply. That's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and follow along for more videos like this. Talk to you guys soon.